How you doing? Numerologist Patrick Lindsay here. I want to talk to you a little bit today about face reading. Face reading has been around for a number of years in Asia, China, different countries over in Asia. Um, in the West, we haven't really warmed up to it yet, but I think we're starting to come around a little bit. I've seen articles here and there in different magazines and online. I see a lot of stuff. Most of it's, I wouldn't say it's garbage, but it's not something that you can use. But, people are trying to get the word out there. I want to talk specifically today about lips. Lips have a lot to do with your sensuality and your sexuality, how you deal with things on a sexual nature. You'll see a lot of things that have to do with face reading. You got to take ethnicity into account. I know a lot of people are predisposed to have larger lips than others, but you got to look at the ethnic group or the race as a whole. You can't just look at certain people or certain individuals. I know people rave about Angelina Jolie having big lips. It's a big deal. But I mean, you got a lot of African American people running around with big lips saying, well, it's not a big deal to me. So you got to take everything into account. The larger the lip is, the more sensual, the more sexual the person will be, especially when you're dealing with women. Women with larger lips, they have an easier time in childbirth. You'll see a lot of times women with thinner lips, they'll have a difficult time bearing children. You'll see them a lot of times trying to adopt children or using IVF treatments and things like that. Certain ethnic groups, they don't have to worry about having kids. They got a million of them running around. So um, your lips has a lot to do with your sensuality and your sexuality. And like I said, the thicker the lip, the more sensual the person will be. You'll see that a lot on TV and on movies as well. You'll see people kissing this person and that person, marrying this person on TV, marrying that person on TV. A lot of times, these people with thinner lips, you don't really feel it when you're kissing the person. You're just kind of kissing them, and it's just part of your job. If you see people with bigger lips on TV kissing, and they're getting the job done. They're probably saying, "Well, let's cut this film and let's move to the next level." So just keep in mind that your lips has a lot to do with your sexuality, um, especially for women, childbearing, childbirth, and yeah, the next segment I think we'll do it on teeth because teeth have a lot to do with your intellect. But that's for another time. Take care.